Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a data warehouse. A data warehouse is essentially a large, central storage system designed specifically for analytical purposes. Unlike your everyday operational databases, it consolidates vast amounts of historical data from many different sources. This integration allows businesses to gain a comprehensive, unified view of their information, making it much easier to perform complex queries and generate insightful reports. It's a powerful tool for understanding past performance and planning for the future. One of the biggest advantages of using a data warehouse is the significant improvement in data quality and consistency across your entire organization. Imagine having a single, reliable source of truth for all your critical business information. This leads to much faster and more efficient data analysis, empowering teams to make informed decisions with confidence. You can easily track trends over several years, identify patterns, and reduce the strain on your live operational systems, which is a huge benefit. At its core, a data warehouse relies on a few key components. First, you have your various data sources, which feed raw information into the system. Then, a crucial process called ETL, or extract, transform, load, takes over. This process cleans, standardizes, and structures the data before loading it into the central warehouse. Finally, reporting and analysis tools connect to the warehouse, allowing users to easily query and visualize the integrated data to uncover valuable insights. Data warehouses are incredibly versatile and find practical application across many industries. For instance, in finance, they're used for detailed reporting and forecasting, helping to analyze revenue streams and expenses over many quarters. Retailers leverage them for customer behavior analysis, identifying purchasing patterns and preferences to optimize marketing efforts. Supply chain managers use them to track inventory levels and logistics efficiency. Sales teams also evaluate performance trends across different regions and product lines, leading to smarter, data-driven strategies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.